Hey guys, so I just realized it's been almost a month since I showed my face on this channel. I spent quite a bit of time doing those last tractor pulls, and then I spent about at least a week where I was sick and just didn't do anything. So today I went off, I helped my buddy a little bit, did some packing for him at his construction site, and we were done early there. So it's nice and warm, all the sun's still out. It's like 17 degrees here in November. It's a gorgeous day. I need to get that mower deck off of that tractor, put the loader on to lift it up, dig it out, maybe rinse it out and oil it, and get the snowblower on and do all that stuff. So that's what we're gonna do here yet this afternoon. We'll see. I called a guy about offering to help them with tillage, so we'll see if that happens or not. But we're gonna get this done here for today in this nice weather and go from there. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, nice on Wednesday, then showers the rest of the week and snow by Sunday. So it's that time. We're gonna put a snowblower on this and get it all ready for once the weather turns, because we know it's going to. I'm gonna get this started. I'm gonna grab some towels here to clean up the hydraulics, and I don't actually have room, I don't think, to put the loader on and leave it on for the winter in here and store it. I think we just got room for the tractor and blower, which will be fine, but I'm gonna end up putting the loader on anyway just to lift this heavy deck around. So I'm gonna get working on that. So like I mentioned, I was really sick for a week. You can hear in my voice I'm still not completely well. But yeah, I thought I'm starting to feel better, and I am. I'm feeling way better than I did. But I still got a few minutes of actual work and I'm just exhausted. Gotta keep taking my rests, I guess. Anyhow, we're back here at our storage, where we keep our snowblower and loader back here when we don't use it. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll get some of that stuff put on here and see what we can do. Alright, now we gotta hook up all them hydraulics, and we'll flip this on here. I don't know how much of that I can show. I don't have a magnet on here. I'll find a spot. Now we're going to turn around and hook onto the snowblower. So, can barely talk. So I had to put this loader on to get to the snowblower so I could get it on. The other reason I wanted this loader on, simply to use it to lift this deck up, because last time we mowed lawn before winter, I guess, like a week ago whenever we last mowed the lawn, it was really, really wet. And this deck is going to be just a rotten mess underneath. So I need to find a couple of little pieces of rope I have around here somewhere that lets me use this loader to lift this up, and then I can kind of spin it up and get it in a spot where it's easier to dig everything out and, you know, clean it up under there. Clean it up, rinse it out, and see what we got. I swear I used to have some rope around this place. Can't find it, so I guess these excessively long 3/8 chains will somehow have to do. We'll figure it out. Not sure how, but we'll figure this out. If I can find a spot to put you guys down so you can watch me. Maybe over here. That might have not worked all that well. Oops. Oh well. We gotta clean that out somehow and get all that grass off of there. Unreal. What a mess. So as you can see, I pulled those covers off. Just loaded with grass in under them as well. So I want to clean all that out and then flip this thing over somehow and start digging out underneath the deck. I just don't have anywhere to really put the camera or really show too much, so I soaked my camera. I got the deck better. I rinsed it out, got most of the biggest stuff out of there. It looks better. It's far from perfect. I don't have a pressure washer, so we're gonna call it good enough. It is what it is. It's good enough. We're gonna put it away and deal with it in the spring. There, took the loader back off. I'm aware the loader would be a super handy little tool for snow removal, but if I leave it on, there, I don't multitask well. If I leave that loader on, then I can't park in the garage all winter with my pickup. There's just not enough room in there. So I'm gonna try, see if I can get this in there just like this and still get both our vehicles in. And if I can, we'll try that for this winter. If it doesn't work, then I imagine I'll have to put the loader on and park outside, but we're gonna try this because I'm not looking forward to parking outside in the snow all winter long again. Don't come at me about how hard it is on vehicles. I don't care. They get under oiled. I'm gonna park inside. Hey guys, so it's the next day here now. I'm in my office actually doing a hunter safety course. I don't know if I'll ever get hunting, but we're doing this course anyway, so we can get an outdoors card. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you a minute about any events or weddings, any of that you guys want video of. All that stuff, give me a shout. I would love to do your event, video your event, and see how it all works out. I'm pretty easy to find online, whether that's through grayaerialimagery.net or grayaerialimagery on Facebook or Instagram, grayaerialimagery@gmail.com. Send me an email, send me a message, call me, contact me. If you're in Southern Ontario, I'd love to talk to you about filming your event and putting it all together for you. So give me a shout, and thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.